This is the Galaxy Tab A 9.7 inch tablet, Android tablet from Samsung, and as I mentioned in my previous video, here's my review now. So first of all, as you can see from the materials, it's quite nicely built. It's called Sandy Black. The screen seems to be of plastic, the rear is of plastic, but the quality is quite good. Camera on the top, center, nicely placed. S Pen over here. I'll just take it out and show it to you guys. Okay, so that's the S Pen. Well, I'll switch it on and then I'll show you. So just pop that back in, and on the right side you have the power, I suppose, the volume buttons, and the microSD slot over here. So I'll just put that. Okay, so on the bottom there are two slots for the speakers, micro USB charging probably, and sync, and that's for the headset, the 3.5mm jack. And on the left, absolutely nothing. On the top, it's clean, right? So front camera is a bit on the right. So guys, let's go and power it up and see how it is. Okay, first impression, very nice display, looks really good. I think the Galaxy Tab S2 has got a much more stronger display and much more faster processor, but yeah, this one looks good. Booting up time, well, that's the first time boot, so it's going to be a bit slow, so I'm just going to set it up quickly. Right, so guys, I've just connected it and I'm not using the S Pen. So as soon as I bring it close to the tab, it gives a sort of a small circle dot on the screen. So I'll just go and click next. Now the good thing is, if I try to scroll it, it seems to be, it's quite rubberized, because I think so it's because of the tip of the S Pen. It's got something to do with that. All right. Okay guys, first impression of the screen, really nice, really beautiful. So as it comes with the Lollipop as standard, the Android operating system, so if you'll just go into about and see, so it's 502, well, there should be a software update, so I'll clear all of these, and if there's a software update, no. So it's got really nice shortcuts. As I said, when I use the pen, it gives me a circle, so that's quite a good thing. I'll just go back to the home screen again. So that button is the home button, and that's for the recent apps. Yeah, and I can simply close all, and that's the back menu. And yeah, so the first thing about the S Pen is that if I were to there's a small button over here, as you can see. So if I were to click that, and it gives a fan like error command. So the first thing is the action memo. You can write a memo quickly. Then there's smart select, you can select some object. Image clip, you can clip out an image, and screen write, so you can write on the screen. So basically I bought it because of the S Pen. I needed it. The Note 5 is coming out with the newer pen, the newer model, but there's no tablet with this feature, so I thought of getting it. So yeah, so if I basically hover over the action menu, you know, it knows that the pen is there. So yeah, that's it. So if I click it again to show you guys, yeah, so it comes up. Yeah, so that's one thing. The main thing which I wanted to tell you, it's a very nice tablet, and if you guys are planning out there to buy a tablet, and if you need a stylus with it, like an S Pen, so this is the only tablet, the Galaxy Tab A, the newer model. The older models do have the S Pen, but they don't function as the same way as this one does. This is the newer version. It's Galaxy A. It's the cheaper version of the S2. It's more brilliant. And yeah, there's one thing which I wanted to conclude in my review. that it comes with Microsoft applications, so I don't need to pay for the services from Microsoft like Word, Excel, OneDrive. These are the main things which I use on an everyday basis, especially Excel. And I think I've done a very good decision. And so guys, thanks for watching my video. If you have any questions, just let me know and I'll answer them back. But I did a lot of research on different tablets, and finally I came up with the Tab A. I'm not a Samsung fan, I'm not a Android fan, because I believe that Apple products have excellent build quality and it's got excellent operating system. But the problem is that if you need to upload something like an attachment like your CV or something, you can do it through an Android, you can save stuff, but you can't do it on Apple devices. So that's one of the main reasons I got this. So guys, thanks for watching, and do subscribe, share and like.